let's eat fruits, guys. Ayan. Ayan, one of my favorite fruits, guys. At sa langgan. Langgan. Ayan, kainin na natin, guys. Baka masira. Ayan, ito yung mga handa ko. This New Year, guys, ito yung ating mga fruits na binili. Ayan, meron din tayong, ano, guys, oranges. Ayan, cat kung tawagin, guys, yung maliliit. Ayan, it's orange. Tapos may dalandan. Ayan, may dalandan. Ayan, dahil medyo maano yung aking lalamunan ngayon, guys. Ayan, kumain tayo ng fruits. Ayan, isa to sa, ayan, magpapalakas sa ating katawan. Ayan, more on vitamin C to siya, guys. Ayan, kaya, let's eat. Na natin, natatakam na ako, guys. So yummy yan. Sarap, guys. Ang tamis, parang ako ang tamis. I really love it. Ang sarap niya, guys. Ayan, iniipon ko yung kanyang buto, guys, para pwede siyang itanim. Pwede siyang itanim, guys. Ayan, ang tamis niya, guys. Kain tayo ng fruits. Hi! Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year! I hope this year, guys, more blessings to come and our, guys, and good health always. Yan. Ang tamis na, guys. Super tamis. Parang ako. Super tamis. I really love it. Ang sarap. Parang ako, guys. Ang sarap. Let's eat! Kain tayo. So yummy. I hope you will also subscribe my channel, guys. Please do subscribe my channel. You can also watch my videos. And guys. Ang sarap. So yummy. And guys, natapos ko dyan kumain. Ang sarap niya. Ang tamis. Sobrang tamis niya, guys. Super sarap. Super tamis niya, guys. So that's it for today. Bye!